Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can register for PT exam by applying a coupon code and save on your exam fee. First, open the official PT website and log in into your account and select all these options. Click on I agree. Then terms and conditions, I agree. Which country or region are you planning? Select any country. For example, Australia. What describes your current situation? Select. Why are you taking PT academic? Select. Now select the date and time. Then click on book. Now just check whether everything is correct. Then proceed to complete your order. Here click on checkout. At this stage you will find an option to apply the coupon code. You can see the total fee it is showing you around 18,900. You apply the coupon code which we share to you. Once you click on apply, the fee becomes 0. You can observe that here. If you want this coupon code, you can contact our team. Once you pay the discounted amount to our team, they will provide you with the code.